You won't believe these gorgeous purple bellflowers are made entirely out of pipe cleaners. Let's make them together. Making the petal base. First, take a light purple pipe cleaner and fold it back and forth to create a continuous row of loops. Once you have a nice cluster, wrap a small piece of wire around the bottom to secure everything tightly together and snip off the excess. The shaping secret. Here is the secret to getting that realistic, delicate petal shape. Take a mini straightener or craft iron and press those loops completely flat. Gently bend the top outwards to give it a natural curve. Then carefully run a lighter along the edge just to smooth out the fuzz and seal the shape. You'll want to make 3 of these petals. Making the leaves. Next, grab a green pipe cleaner and make a series of much smaller, tighter loops using the exact same folding method. This is going to be the leafy base of our flower. Assembly. Now for the fun part. Add a drop of hot glue to a bundle of artificial flower stamens and stick them to the bottom of your first petal. Then, just apply hot glue to the edges of your other 2 petals and wrap them around the center to form that beautiful bell shape. Attaching the stem. Finally, thread your green leafy base onto a piece of floral wire. Add a generous drop of hot glue inside and push it firmly onto the bottom of your purple bloom. twist a few stems together, and you have a stunning, everlasting branch of bellflowers. Let me know in the comments what flower I should try next, and subscribe.